What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel for another build and paint up. In today's video we got for you the Black Panther and the Captain America Civil War diorama from 3D Wicked Art. So this diorama file was actually one of the first pieces that I got from 3D Wicked Art whenever I became a patron of theirs about a little over a year ago. So Black Panther has been done for a little while and I've been slacking on Cap over here. Cap's been printed up for well over a year, and while going through my whole backlog and everything, I decided to go ahead and finish him up. So while I don't have any footage on Black Panther, I do on Captain America, and we'll go through that a little bit today and kind of show you off some of the work that Wicked Art has been doing for the past almost 2 years now. So this will actually be kind of a quick video to kind of go through some of the processes that I did with Cap over here and what to look for in some of the pieces offered by Wicked Art. But before we go any further, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Lots of good content on here. And don't forget I'm on Instagram and TikTok as well. While we're at it, I should tell you about my Patreon that I have. We got a bunch of members already joining up, and in the month of April, if you join up, after your first month's billing, you'll get a free Punisher STL file to print out and paint for yourself. And by joining the Patreon, you get exclusive access to our Discord where you can talk about printing and painting all day long, get ideas, and share with other builders and painters such as yourself. All right, so let's get to the build. All right, that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the build. A couple things about this diorama here. There is a base that actually comes with this that I did not finish printing out. It's actually printing right now, but I don't have it finished, but it's a huge diorama base that comes with. You can conjoin the two pieces together. That way they look like they're fighting each other. And there's a big shield in the back. A very nice piece as well to be part of your collection. So there's also interchangeable portraits for both. You have the Chadwick Boseman for this one, and then you also have the Chris Evans head for this one. I did not use those because this is how I wanted to display my pieces in my collection. That's the wonderful thing about printing and painting. You can display it and paint it however you want to. You don't have to have something that's basically the same piece as everyone else. You can put your own unique touch to it. That's what's really cool about this. All right, once again, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget about my Patreon, and I do have a couple of new members here this week. Our first one is Gregory Quedek and Joe Fatali. Thank you guys for being part of the Patreon. Love to see you there. Don't forget, in the month of April, after your first billing, you will get that STL file, The Punisher, exclusive for my channel only. So make sure to get that notification bell on. That way you don't miss out on any future videos or any future announcements. All right, everybody, until next video, stay safe out there. Get out and create something. Print, paint, repeat, add to your collection, and we'll see you.